Okay, I want one of you to raise your hand and I will ask you to come off mute and read this piece of news for me. Okay, who wants to do that? I can see Sanya, Sabah, Nikhat have raised your hand. Sanya, you want to come off mute and read this piece of news for everybody?
A woman in Saudi Arabia uh, what is this, Didi?
Treated.
Gradually treated has a measure from cradle to grave.
Hmm.
She needs the consent of a male guardian to be able to study, travel, work, marry, or get some official documents.
Hmm.
A, what is this?
A divorce.
A divorce or widowed mothers require and
Guardianship.
guardianship of her own teenage son.
Okay, amazing. All right. Now I am going to ask you to decode. Okay, what are we going to do? Decode means try to understand what this passage means. A woman in Saudi Arabia is legally treated as a minor from cradle to birth. Cradle to grave. Now, who wants to come off mute and try to explain what this means? A woman in Saudi Arabia is legally treated as a minor from cradle to grave. Who wants to come off mute and say? Sabah, I can see you have raised your hand. You want to try and decode this for us? Yes, Sabah. I know you're saying something, Baba, but I can't hear you. You want to try again? No, Sabah, can't hear you. Can you remove your earpiece and put it back again in your phone and see if it's working? Okay, I'll come to you, Sabah. I want someone else to share in the meantime.
Didi, now you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you, Sabah. Tell me.
दीदी मतलब उन लोग को बहुत खराब तरीके से ट्रीट करते थे।
ओके, yeah. क्या क्या खराब तरीके से आपको लगता है ट्रीट किया जाता है? क्रेडल मतलब जहाँ पे बच्चा जब भी छोटा बच्चा रहता है जहाँ पे सोता है ना उसको क्रेडल बोलते हैं. एंड ग्रेव मीन्स when somebody dies, where do we bury them, where do we put them, that's called grave. Okay, so Faizan is saying a woman in Saudi Arabia is treated by comparing discrimination from birth to death. That's correct. Okay. Muskan, you have to sit next to your charger and charge your battery at the same time, attend the class. Thank you so much, Sabah. Thank you so much, Faizan. जो सऊदी अरेबिया में जो वुमेन है वहां पर उनको माइनर मीन द किड्स हु आर बिलो 18 उनको कैसे hi hello the ones who are below 18 how are they treated when they are young? Everything they have to go to their parents for permission, right? The same way women in Saudi Arabia have to go for permission to their husband or to their father every time they want to do something. If they want to study, travel, work, marry, or get even like a official document like Aadhaar card or something, they have to go and take consent. Consent means anybody, we have done this before. Consent का मतलब क्या होता है? What does the word ENT? Yeah, big thing, small thing, any kind of thing, they need to take consent, permission from their husband or their father. Okay, so what do you feel about this thing? What do you think about this, and what does this make you feel? Anybody who wants to raise your hand and come off mute and express what you think or what you feel about this? Yes, I can see Nikhat has raised her hand. Nikhat, please come off mute and share.
I think that this is a wrong thing because everybody have to get a equal choice.
Okay, you're saying everybody needs to get an equal choice, so that is what you think. All right. How does that make you feel, Nikhat?
Angry.
Angry. All right. Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. I'm going to go to someone who hasn't shared. I'm going to ask Sahil. Sahil, can you hear me? Sahil is tough for me. Okay. Habib, can you hear me? Yes, can you come off mute and share? How do you feel about this?
I feel very bad.
Okay. Why? Habib, why are you
Yes.
feeling bad?
बिकॉज मिस इन लोग मिस डॉक्यूमेंट के जरिए मैरी होते हैं.
डॉक्यूमेंट के जरिए marry होते हैं. तो अगर woman wants to get a document, she has to first ask for a permission from a male member of her family.
Yes.
What does that mean?
Fred.
Okay, amazing. All right. Okay, it's okay, Ilma, you just came now. Didi was just reading this piece of article जहाँ पर लिखा है women in Saudi Arabia, for anything and everything they have to go to a male member of the family to get permission for studies, travel, work, marry, or even get any legal documents. आधार कार्ड लेना हो तो भी सबसे पहले they need to ask for a permission from a male member of that family. Salih, do you want to come off mute and share? What do you think about this? क्या सोचते हो आप इसके बारे में?
दीदी ये लोग पूछते हैं तो लोग कभी हाँ भी बोल सकते कभी ना भी बोल सकते तो लोग को फील सैड होएगा और लोग
Correct, yes. They will feel sad. They can say yes and no also. कभी कभार no भी बोल सकते हैं. That's a valid point. Very nice, very good. Can you also tell me how does that make you feel? आपको कैसा फील होता है ये सोच के, ये पढ़कर?
वेरी सैड
Say why?
बिकॉज अगर ये लोग को कहीं जाना रहेगा तो लोग नहीं बोलेंगे तो लोग के फ्रेंड लोग चले जाएंगे इसको छोड़ के.
Yes, correct. Very nice. Good job. Well done, Talib. Okay. Okay. Good job, Talib. Sabha is saying that I think that is wrong because it does not give us our rights and our freedom, and I feel very, very angry. Amazing, Sabha. Thank you so much for sharing. Yes, Shubham, do you want to come off mute and share?
Didi, in Saudi Arabia, the women do not have any rights to choice or anything. They need to take permission of their husband or anybody else. They do not.
Yes.
मतलब टीचर उन लोग अपने मर्जी का कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते.
Correct. Yes, Shubham. Very good. So they don't have their basic rights. Okay, very well highlighted. They don't have their basic rights. And how does that make you feel, Shubham?
Didi, it make me feel very, very upset because Didi, in every country, if we can see that every country, every people have, मतलब टीचर किसी ना किसी कंट्री में किसी को थोड़ा बहुत जो राइट है मतलब अपना चॉइस कर सकते वो कर सकते और इसमें तो कुछ और ही है.
Very good, Shubham. So Shubham is saying that in each and every country there is some or the other right that's always there, but here Shubham feels there is no right at all. Okay, so what you guys did when you said that, what do you think about this and how does it make you feel? What you exactly did was express your opinion. Okay, here everybody, Talib, Shubham, Habib, all the girls who also expressed their feelings and their thinking, what did you do? You expressed your opinion. Okay, you said that this is wrong, this is making me feel upset. I don't know how these women can stay here. Okay, so everybody, well done. You expressed your opinion. Okay, we are going to move on. So today in the class, what we are going to do, I can see Sahil. Sahil Yakub, do you want to come off mute और आप ये read करोगे जो लिखा हुआ है वो? What? Sahil, please come off mute and read the objective.
Objective. We will be able to read, understand, and story and experience your opinion by making connection.
Okay.
दीदी आपने साहिल को बोले थे.
Sahil and Habib came off mute and started reading. Habib, you're going to wait for your friend. Okay. Okay. Sahil, why can't you read, Baba? Please type it in the chat box and tell me. Okay. So I want Vivek to come off mute and tell me what are the key words here. Keywords, important words in the objective, Vivek. Yes. Vivek, important words in the objective. I can see that he is writing something, but I don't think he can hear me. Vivek. Vivek. He's here. He has his camera on. I don't think he can hear me. Guys, can one of you reach out to him and say that his camera, his audio is not working?
Didi, can I read?
Yes. Ilma, can you please highlight the keywords in the objective? What are the keywords, important words?
Read, understand, express,
Yes.
express our दीदी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. हेलो.
Guys, I think Arzu Didi is stuck.
हेलो दीदी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Guys, the thing is, I think Arzu Didi's audio is stuck. Give her some time, okay? I think she will come back in some time. Okay, I'll try to call her.
Very good.
Opinion second वाला making connection.
Amazing, making connections. Guys, I'm going to ask whoever is annotating to please stop annotating. Didi is going to wait for you to stop annotating. Please erase it off. Please annotate karna. We need to stop, okay? All right. Okay, so first of all, we are going to read and understand the story, okay? Next, can we move on next, Soumya?
Akriti is sharing, I think.
Okay. Akriti, can we move on to the next one, please? You keep on clicking, it will just show up. Yeah. Okay. The second one is we are going to say and write what we are going to do. Say and write when we are talking about expressing. How are we going to express? या तो हम बोलेंगे या तो हम लिख के express करेंगे. And the last one is we are going to try and make connections of what we feel and what we think, just like you did it in the morning with the passage, the news piece. What did you do? You expressed your opinions of what you felt and what you thought. Same way, that's what we are going to do. All right, everybody with me? If yes, please give me a thumbs up. Everybody, please give me a thumbs up. Mehak Ansari, class will end in 15 minutes. Till then, I want everybody to give me a thumbs up. All right, thank you so much, everybody. I'm glad you guys are here and you are with me. Thank you for being so patient. We are going to move on to the next slide. Amazing. All right, 3 steps. First of all, what are we going to do? Anybody who wants to come off mute and read this one for Didi? I can see Nikhat is raising her hand. Nikhat, do you want to come off mute and read?
Yes.
Yes. Say.
Who is are the characters?
Okay.
What is are the character action?
Amazing. जहाँ पे भी we see character or character actions, what are we going to do, Nikhat?
A difficult word.
No. Come back. What are the characters and what is the character action? Whenever we see that, step one, what are we going to do, Nikhat? We are going to.
We have
Step one is to do what, Nikhat? Can you read it? Step one.
how is are the characters?
Hmm.
What is are the characters actions?
Very good. So whenever you see a character or a character action in the passage, what do? You annotate. Okay, आपको annotate करना है. What does annotate mean? Whatever we are doing right now, that's called annotate. I'm just gonna wait for I can see that someone is annotating. I can't tell who. Can we disable annotation? I'm going to wait for everybody to stop annotating. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Akriti. Okay. Second step. The first step is whenever you see character or character actions, you underline. Second step, Misbah, come off mute and quickly tell what is the second step.
Didi, we will circle the difficult word or and understand understand the meaning.
Very good. We are going to circle the difficult word and understand the meaning. All right. What is the third step? I want Shubham Chaube to come off mute and explain the third step. Yes, Shubham. Shubham Chaube, are you saying something? I can't hear you. Shubham Chaube? Can all of you hear Shubham? Because I can't hear him. No. Okay, all right. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Shubham, I think we can't hear you. Baba, can you fix your network and come back? All right, I am going to ask someone else who hasn't shared anything yet. Hurja. Hurja, go ahead. Yes, what is step 3? What is step 3, Hurja?
What do I understand?
What do I understand? Amazing.
What message do I get?
Yes, what message do I get?
Make
Or
connection.
you're going to make connection. Okay, all right, amazing. You're going to make connection with the text. जो भी हम read
What
करेंगे, it's important to yes, it's very yes. Has this correct? Has this ever happened to me? It's very important to make connection. कि ये मेरे साथ कभी हुआ है? Yes or no? All right, amazing, good job. So this is what we are going to do. Can we move on to the next slide, please? Amazing. Okay. The lesson flow is we are going to read the passage. We are going to try and understand the passage. Okay. We will read the questions. We'll try to understand the questions and we will at the end write down the answers. Amazing. Can we move on to the next question, please? Okay. All right. Anybody who wants to come off mute and tell me what story we are reading today and who's the author of the story? Two things. What story and who's the author of the story? Vivek, can you please come off mute and read? Vivek, can you please come off mute and read?
ये माला तू पकड़ ले.
Shubham, I can see that you are not on mute. Can someone please mute Shubham Chabe? Thank you very much. I'm going to ask Afreen. Afreen, come off mute and read okay, Talib, later on. Okay, till then we can stay in the classroom. Didi promises to finish this in next 10 minutes. Okay, so be with me, Talib. Okay, Afreen. Afreen, do you want to come off mute and read? Yes. Okay, I don't think Afreen can hear me. I'm going to ask Nehal. Nehal, say. स्टोरी किस बारे में है? I can see you are speaking something, but I can't hear you, Nehal. You want to remove your hands free and talk? Until then,
Bike.
I'm going to yes, say
Motorbike.
motorbike. All right. And who's the author?
Aarti
Yes.
Patse.
Yes. Okay. Motorbike. We are going to learn or read a story about a motorbike, and the author is Aarti Patse. Okay. Amazing. Well done. Okay. We are going to move on to the next slide. Yes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you, there are 4 passages on the screen. One by one, I'm going to ask you to read each passage. I will start off by asking, let's see, Gullu, come off mute and read passage number 1, Gullu.
Yes, Didi. Yes, Didi.
Yes. Loud teacher voice, okay?
Yes.
Hmm.
This is Daya.
Hmm.
At age 8, she say a woman on a bike, the imaging truck in her head.
Amazing. All right. This is Dia. At 8, she saw a woman on a bike. The image stuck in her head. Good job, Gulu. Very well done. All right. I'm going to ask Huzef to read the second passage. Huzef, you want to come off mute and read the second passage for Didi?
At age 9, her father took a shortcut to a week through one way.
Hmm.
And saw cut off by a woman driving a car. Even though it was her fault, he
Muttered.
lady driving Dia never forget this.
Amazing. So at age 9, her father took a shortcut through a one way and was cut off by a woman driving a car. Even though it was his fault, he muttered, "Lady drivers." Dia never forgot this. Amazing. Good job. Well done. I am going to ask, let's see, who can read the next passage? Who's that? I'm not going to let you read if you are not raising your hand and waiting for Didi. Okay. I'm going to ask Misbah to come off mute and read the third passage.
At age 11, she sat in a plane piloted by 2 women. She waited to meet them after the flight and even took a photo with them.
Yes. So at age 7, she sat in a plane piloted by 2 women. Amazing. She waited to meet them after the flight and even took a photo with them. Amazing. Well done, Misbah. All right. I am going to ask one of you to read. Nausheen, I can see you on my screen. Nausheen, please come off mute and read the fourth passage.
At age at 12, she became the best cyclist in her society. She won most races.
Amazing. So at 12, she became the best cyclist in the world in her society and she won most races. Okay, amazing. I can see a lot of you don't have battery, a lot of you are not able to stay back in the classroom. So, what we are going to do is we are going to take this up in the next class. Okay, thank you so much for joining. I know there is a power cut in all of our areas. Don't know why, but I hope you can attend afternoon class. Okay, make sure to text Didi and Bhaiya if that's not possible. Okay, all right, everybody can drop off. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. No.